Maudumi. We'll see if you deliver Ashanti region.
The kind of things that really happen, I didn't say deliberate. There is a serious compounded friction. If you go into the inner circles of the New Patriotic Party, people for Baumia who died for Baumia, loyalists for Baumia, and confirm the Baumia, now One Kasa, Mahmoud Baumia can go naked in front of him. Rafael Safo Patrick. If you look at Rafael Safo Patrick, he has remained loyal, and I repeat, loyal to reference Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Now I know people who are in the region, outside the region, anytime they need to contact to reference Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, they should pass through RAF. Some call for where you are trouble the year. I didn't want to move here. It's a defeating statement to the delegates.
Party hierarchy,
yes,
lie to Ghanaians.
Sasa,
Okaso Omar Bona Pudding,
yes,
almost Omar reconcile party in
yes,
Ashanti region.
Yes.
Obiano, program.
Yes.
Omar cemented.
Yes. What is one? About 4 or 5 people. They wrote a petition to the general secretary.
Yeah.
They wrote a petition to the flag bearer. They wrote a petition to the president. They wrote a petition. Every area and said they have to get response. Are you not surprised? Say the youth organizer for Ashanti region was what a working committee. Was what a committee to do campaign. You don't have the regional youth organizer in it. Anyone? So regional youth organizer, you see a big campaign team, you be a committee. No committee, you know. The regional youth organizer is not part of it. Doesn't show respect. One to me doesn't respect them. Let's be open, let's be sincere. One to me more. Right? There was an injustice. I don't know that someone conquer trouble. One to me he has using his veto power at the expense of Johnson. I have court of competent jurisdiction. No, I'm conquer too.
And this is what Amu Peo 2024 Apano and now you're winning it.
When he was about to take the hotels, we said, hi,
and lost both times under a criminal circumstances. Also, you are not going to hand power. Nippon and any print tonight elections. You hand power to the person. So even big the word them should be by example.
And you own a lot of hotels, a lot of Japan. Second, Japan, own a Japadi. Now, or say,
Maudumi. We'll see if you deliver Ashanti region.
And not that the New Patriotic Party in Ashanti region say omo launch omo campaign for the women wing in Ashanti region. Key people do ma enna meeting omo ankobi. Me se bejani oje ho edema de she omo abetifi enso ababonte de babetu dwa say 2024 abato ye be kwa akoto. Se NDC for pool omo mpo omo fa akunwa na emma omo. Wo se omo asofo omo nkramofo ana omo akomfo yebusa se aban ba bia akwa akuduru asofo ane nkramofo ane nanamo atrenkonya eso ana church for penny edema the New Patriotic Party Justin Frimpong kodi on sa ba abonten e de aba betu dwase wakọ bono afọ ana se bono akọ apro no man nchi do ba be hunu say majority of the bono MPs no they've lost touch with the party people and for that matter the constituents. Say no kura say MP he has lost touch with the constituency. The ripple effect on the New Patriotic Party anything. Sana din the solid TV ye production the free Ghana Ken Studio ye we are abefonte interfere internet adaroma baby will be at the content event eba ya no agit fefeso make I say and then the ka woni edi empuni a subscribe to the channel we so debut as on subscriber now subscriber and fast so say yeah the content fefeso too ma won say ka bi no hwe ye nhwemu about 90% of your viewers mon subscribe into me sell or share now subscribe now like page you know you say sharing is caring me din e de shaibula sisi me twam ho aba me ba franco da hita e ba be kam.
Finally, my family is free because of Rome Villa Estate. Yes, this estate is responsible for selling affordable litigation-free lands that have electricity, water, and accessible roads. I am so happy.
I have phone busha from Makwaba, Franco de Tababeka. Can say you production the figure and Ken Studio. Now we Takwaba.
Major so.
Now here.
Namia down.
The excuse us. Are they?
One's a me type a big man is chatting. But I don't want to say you are a prophet, but Jack. The future is pregnant, I tell you.
When it is coming,
it is doing.
A banner. Because a direct translation of a banner. When it is coming, it is doing. The New Patriotic Party unveil because omo campaign, omo launch omo campaign in Ashanti region. and omo launching woman wing so na omo ye na Rati pa say dom na eno ma part ebe kasai Dr. Matupuku Prempeh kwa say I was say omo resonate elephant omo wu ni nyina omo dan nya say nya ne nya no na wo power na omo kwan ma ason no bi da and because why the future is pregnant and on him so I the obewo Zango
Shabu
and no the new patriotic party and launch omo campaign in Ashanti region but me pese enko Dr. Matupuku Prempeh ne tip ni bimbra Dr. Matupuku Prempeh ka say asono madani nya no mama wuni e trust e nya no the first program necessary the beauty of the program and program o shekwa MPP ye program na Ashanti dome na anyama butu se empty chairs e dey na can show
Sha mami chi obi bia na no pay area no depending on your location so that bia me case it is an honor and a privilege to be on this particular show.
Sure.
Shabu
Franco.
Enwa.
Yeah.
The new patriotic party and almost any friend is a domain of
omo launch omo campaign
in Ashanti region.
A women wing.
Any women wing in Ashanti region. Adia ba kono say no share squad mo fa so mo share program no outdoor and bibia akono efe. Where come mo fa so mo ye yo mo no ma come fa so mo siesie ho akono efe. Enra me your opportunity hwe bi. Na me hwe no wuntumi TV. Eno hwe mpanyfo ba be kasa ye. Unya chief of staff they
okay.
They were preaching about one thing. They were preaching about unity. They were preaching say a man for mother. Those who are asleep should wake them up.
At this time, okay, unity.
Yes, they are talking about unity.
But after November, because unity what you may be. Super
so Shabula Sisi.
I think elected fabric. See, I reconcile party in this time the coalition or unity.
Shabula Sisi. If you look at this kind of elections of Mokoya, the kind of things that really happen, I tell you say deliberate. See, there are two different things. Say bonena me yo, meaning say bonena me yo. Bonena me yo, meaning say bonena me yo. Meaning say I said that deliberately I want to do this kind of stuff, no matter everything. And over sudden so, if you look at super delegates, and it's an election we to November 4th now. Before November 4th, no, a month for that they were not in bed with everybody say. We are very kidding. Japan other people, no. And okay, too, you also feel it. But I'm a brother 1 month. So it tells you say, some foreign affairs or more kidding a company called Japan camp. They still in they remain quiet. Now the first and the fight is between the internal Mahmoud Bawumia people.
See, and Tokana was a Cameron and a creature.
Me say,
yeah, that
what on? I don't want. Me say, go and do your checks. There is a serious compounded friction.
It's about meeting. They are fighting themselves.
Me say, if you go into the inner circles of the new patriotic party, people for Bawumia who die for Bawumia, loyalists for Bawumia, and conform the Bawumia, you know. Now, Mark, come one can say,
come cast a super delegate, you know. Raphael Patrick, South Patrick.
Yes, they use
on a cotoya or Pejaj or Bawumia.
Uti, open the Pabakua. Mahmoud Bawumia didn't do what Mahmoud Bawumia can go naked in front of him. Raphael Safo Patrick. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, he was a special aid. Our guys are more common bonfire man, so BMP or bonfire the man. Yes, so we electrocuted and the bosom friend and Raphael Safo Patrick. And through South Kwabna is a Kwakubuatino. If you look at Raphael Safo Patrick, he has remained loyal, and I repeat, loyal to Reverend Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, I know people who are in the region, outside the region. Anytime they need to contact to Reverend Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, they should pass through us. Me and Kasami Godfather S.K. Boafu, he wanted to donate some cash to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. A true rough. And I rather copy of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia office. And donate cash my area, you know. They made already the SK Boafo, the chairman for Mahmoud Bawumia movement for 2024. So if you look at that bonding socialization between Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the Rasafo Patrick Moa, it tells you that the love is deep. But because now there is a serious problem within them. Child, I'm telling you, the future is pregnant for the MPP. I'm telling you, don't joke with this.
Franco, I know campaign launch, you know. The national organizer, the regional organizer,
yes,
Wanko,
yes,
Francois Anko,
yes,
Raphael Safo Patrick Anko,
yes,
and after so Hajia, as the treasurer, and I say, Zenab, you know, Ben Namho, second vice amba, and a first vice amba, yes, and a Jimamo, and they have to catch it.
Shabu was a 5 regional executives missing from Ashanti region NPP working committee's inauguration. Shabu. Omo man kono o abenya resource for Patrick o abenya first vice, second vice, deputy secretary, the treasurer, the youth organizer. Shabu, these are people who are duly elected. Timidiem, this ngofa make come as these executives and not by appointment too. They are duly elected. The person actually say some ngofa we ya trouble the you. I didn't want to know it's a defeating statement to the delegates.
So the party hierarchy lie to Ghanaians.
Sasai.
Okaso Marbona Pudding.
Yes.
Almost Omar reconcile party in Washington region. Obi program. Omar cement.
Yes.
And some of us mass cement be a peace room.
Yes.
Nay economic working as a committees. Yes. Blah blah blah. Na sanko for yankwa.
I agree with you. Maybe on the face of the pink sheet, they wanted to create a certain kind of impression. Say there is peace. Mame Kasam Chiro. What can the kind of petition is sending me first? What by in March? Omoka Somabe inauguration, and they are going to do the campaign committee.
Yeah.
What is one? About 4 or 5 people. They wrote a petition to the general secretary.
Yeah.
They wrote a petition to the flag bearer. They wrote a petition to the president. They wrote a petition. And every area and said they have to get response. And so, to my surprise, and then they drew on what can I could try to buy.
Video be us in their tone change.
Yes.
We say you're not MPP or more launch make us say or more the inaugurated the Ashanti region campaign.
Yes.
Team in Ashanti region.
Yes.
But we question video but video no sound in here say but oh video.
Miss me none of the name.
Yeah.
So Ralph no kasa catch him said that wu twa no. Me call for the catch say wu twa bi nto mejo camera na no so wo nya. You are a journalist and you are doing your work. So they should understand you. Shaibu, if you look at this kind of committee, if you look at compiled list of committee heads and secretary for Ashanti regional campaigner, Obakaya, before somebody compiled this kind of list, 6 people who are duly elected came registering their displeasure. And they gave conditions as to why they were not going to partake of this kind of committee. Okay, they raised 4 key things. One, also where Fenichema is not doing meetings with them. Secondly, to me is underutilizing
party structure.
Yes.
On one fan the boys on where
easy. Now, if you look at this kind of election that we are going for, this election, the youth will play a major integral role.
Frank, I'm asking question.
Yes.
Say a coalition.
Yes.
Ni dim kunima. Ni pa ide munyam ebe go. Yeah. Na manu go asem ka say a coalition.
Yes.
Na nkundia ba.
Yes.
Regional chairman.
Yes.
Na de nkundia buti be bono. Chairman want to me you went for an election. Those these guys they didn't support you. Reason to man support you.
Yes.
Support them.
Yes.
Your coalition every. Why don't you forgive them? Now come on town. Now se me ntimi no munya aduma. I'ma do this crucial point. I'm a party in stronghold entity. Now, you use a certain word say you should forgive them. He doesn't have that right to forgive them. I mean, what it gets to elections, or be on the preferred candidate. Yeah. Internal elections. Open Makunyan Tofi. One case of young man and who travel school fees. They do some more trouble. Someone will prefer to vote for different person. Yeah. The person might have his or her reasons. See, a 2 year, we solve all differences. We come together and move forward. Now, me catch us if you look at Jay for Insunyane. On one Kasani Moja, on one Kasani, he didn't support him. He didn't support him.
But when Ajay Ekufuor won the election, he brought them back.
One of the defense minister.
No, thank you. If you look at Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo said Banchi Dada the Kodoma Yento. And he said so many ill things about J. Ekufuor. By a trouble, J. Ekufuor brought Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo back into the picture. There be a custom to say, John Mama no nyai go Greek ECG. John Mama no nyai go Netku. But you doom lighter, John Mama didn't yabo. Now what that you doom lighty, near born another Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Do you know why? Ultimate responsibility lies at the doorstep of the leader.
Yeah.
In 2016 elections, what does someone to the year when I said no year to man? Yes, Ashanti region. Nippon to consolidating nominal votes for the new patriotic party, mom winning elections. Eh, time I won't to me. And then now I say because no that everyone yet will be, but because he is ahead at that particular moment, material moment, we gave him the praises. So, if you look at this executive, sir, what are their crime? Mentiasi. Money man on my head. Time I won't to me when they go to the national elections. If you look at Gobedi said JFK is hailing from the Ashanti region. Yes, so setting now the one casa out of free. Yes, so Chrome, so who are you?
Chrome better than America. You do America.
Thank you. Now in 2016, before 2016 elections, JFK was the youth organizer of Ashanti region in 2014.
Yeah.
Thank you. But because I want to me always want to have that superiority, obey my that autocratic leadership, that leadership or no cast me.
Person will be able to regional. Only 2 minutes won't to me so. So if JFK were near or bar region, I say, won't wish and I say,
there be am pay for casse, maybe pause or bomb pies and neba. Eba baby in a bob like ya chain. Already said, won't you? Young fans uncle JFK because you were the chairman in a JFK youth organizer. JFK is going for the general secretary. The person is sailing from Ashanti region. What prevented you from doing campaign for him? I'm asking a simple question. But in a senior, JFK have to neglect everything, forgo everything, and says, party or you were there. And basically, he's still doing business with you. He's still doing a campaign with you. Shabu, if you look at Sanko for us, almost say, Chairman won't you know my own Ashanti region, they have issues with it. One, Shabu, almost say, failure to convey regular regional executives meeting. Almost over 5 months. Over 5 months. Meeting. You are going for an election. This is the strong base of the new patriotic party. Yes, baby, what happened? You want Obian himself, and you are going for elections. Baby Bakwet winning a lot of nominal votes for the new patriotic party in the Ashanti region. If you don't have a tactics and if you don't have a roadmap, how can you win the elections? You have to bring everybody on board. Now, if you look at this kind of executives, only duly elected, they are not appointed. That's not make a choice. Only duly elected. They've gone call for vetting, call for BBR. Then the delegates have faith and confidence within them and voted for them because they trust them. They have confidence in them. They believe say they can do the job. But if you look at what you say, wound to me is not a unifier. You to me can never be a major or a captain in the army. Do you know why? Wound to me is self-centered. He thinks about his selfish interest at the expense of the party. Shabu, where? But I say neglect of regional executives over party issues that need consensus. Shabu,
but as I say, wound to me no. Or no constituting the members or yes some appointment.
Yes.
To the also your boss of the key position.
Yes.
You are appointed.
Yes.
And to our appoint to be deputy organizer,
yes.
Deputy secretary.
Yes.
We see.
Yes.
And on the baby the letter one no I want to find it say secretary no.
Yes.
I did adoma PR no national buto.
Yes.
And a deputy no and abeka rebel for no. Youth organizer no.
Yes.
Will be appointed no organizer.
Yes.
Same thing. And on no more meetings.
Yes.
And the way we no for more meeting.
And it is an insult to them. Not just the executives, it's an insult to the delegates. Those who voted for them. Do you know why? You can be our commander in breaking the 8. That's what I make a tone. If you look at Mount Fuji, how you trouble Muniana, when you do to when a youth organizer, you can make sure so you can build the base. You can go to the youth. You can be the youth commander. I make my bomb yet breaking 8. Now, if you look at what we saw, Shabu, if you look at all this contest of Mokoya, one person who was never contested was Reverend Francois.
Yeah.
He should tell you something.
He got an overwhelming dog.
No, then I catch it.
Said, I'm not penasing. And I have Francois and the original.
Yes.
You can't executives for parties and which year.
Yes.
Who treat is can
yes.
Uniska. But sir, we see.
Thank you. The bonding, the socialization, the respect, the humbleness. Who a problem? Kana fair fan for Nasi Libya. He knows how to talk to you. That's what I make it on. He knows how to talk to you.
Franco, yeah, better hear on our video.
But party, Eric Bawumia himself have nothing against him. Now, Jimmy, we'll see if you deliver Ashanti region. I'm not going to forgive them. If you know the effort I put in to get numbers in Ashanti region, or they don't want to meet him. I will beat us. And then, what do you want to yeah,
dear course was Ashanti region. I dear Bako Yami say 4 people who are duly elected as the national executives who hail from the Ashanti region cannot solve the problems. 4 people.
Frankly, maybe say Chama won't to me.
Yes.
Was such a MPP.
Kufa Nine, sir.
Oh, you need to make a
Kufa Nine, sir.
Share Tamaneba Yamona Pudi, Yamona Pudi.
Yes.
Uka Meka Semicho say they are going to mention Napu.
Yes.
But they will turn Napu in Napu.
Central
West. Yeah, just Ashanti region. Napu 2 was being picked because he's from Ashanti region.
Yes.
Or Metra Ashanti region. Now, one Ashanti region, and you're Juma, 90 miles vote. But because of wound to Mintino, you abandon Napu from Ashanti region.
Shabu, me say, dear Kosunamo from Mokufuad. Dear Kosunamo is a Kufad behind wound to Nemania yes and one. Shabu, are you not surprised? See, Monica, these elections are equal. The youth will play an integral role.
You were saying something. What does it mean?
Youth, no. Now, yes, as a car service, we are in. Yes, say about 70% of Ghana's population are the youth. About 70% of Ghana's population are the youth. If you are going for this kind of elections, then it means that the youth will play an integral role.
Yes, electoral committee for some electoral college, the youth is 62%.
Thank you. 62%.
Yeah.
Now, if you look at Ashanti region, a whole man winning a lot of seats and votes. Nipa now a youth organizer who can go to every ghetto.
Tescom for
he make a point that at Tescom. Regional executive, regional youth organizer. Meaning say down youth organizers are mere constituency for
yeah.
He has a good rapport with them. Go and see. Now no rough to change the motor say on one small way. And all pace can sound on the every resource is say on they are cutting it off. I'm asking a very simple question. If you deprive Raf from his resources and making sure who push him to do campaign, who are you deceiving?
The party or
he's deceiving the party and he's deceiving his own government. And I didn't want to me, and yes, I want to mean country and say, well, good party. Good party, no.
And why would the regional executive know? So, program.
And now the year, you mean, if you don't recognize and respect me, if you care less about me, this is the input I made about fun saying, and when it gets to taking decisions, I was solid TV, never pay a friend, some banana,
but frankly, me can't say before taking
yes,
a day to the program, Fremont Paramo, and then penny for share wound to me, yes, it wound to me as some of country or yes. So, a dear as I see, is it not saying something and catch a part in penny for say, base, all is not well.
Medical catch no say. Omoko share here by being come that day. Dan Bocho was there. That day, Opariansa was there. The chief of staff was there. Every person who matters in the internal circles of the new patriotic party in the region, taking concrete decisions, they were there. A serious Yana Mokeka Yaman for the petitions by go and see the gestures of Fundu. Governor 1 on Tiasia, that he was not even ready to even listen to matters. So to play is safe. We come to a round discussion table and we have a dialogue about matters. And I'm not saying, look at the kind of appointment they want to make. Are you not surprised? So the youth organizer for Ashanti region was what a working committee, was what a committee to do campaign. You don't have the regional youth organizer in it. Anyone? I'm asking you. So regional youth organizer, you see a big campaign team, you have a committee. No committee, you know. The regional youth organizer is not part of it. A person who is duly elected, and not by appointment, who has a larger base in the constituency, who is a commander of a larger constituency, on count, and the party just sitting idle, they don't care about it. Who are regional organizer? regional organizer na juma pa ni say
one of all the organization of send like a program na e course no one of better to niema yankofa machines mbra yenye we say no make it a best successful
shabu the regional organizer mami nche wa bia de na akwa akoto ora akwa be ho the regional organizer na juma pa ni say na wo can planning events bia one say that is his field. That is why they voted for him. That is the
people to the venue.
Thank you. That is his level of expertise.
Yeah.
Any such example as CC, your way, every us, yeah, me will blame camera. Me will be able to that is what I pay for us and Janica. So we cannot go to us in a jurisdiction and go and tell him things you have to do. Shabu, Shadia, volunteer groups, Henry Osei Kwabna chairman. Nippon regional organizer, Francis Adomako secretary.
Or now to volunteer group. Okay, on your chairman, no, on your head, or secretary. Yes, so cause our committee, a course citizen, yes, no, not church.
Secretary, it doesn't show respect. One to me doesn't respect them. Let's be open, let's be sincere. One to me more, eh? But I had you. Events and planning. Marlon and FCA, your chairperson. Events and planning every year for be a secretary. Meaning say, but be a Francois, you may say, oh, you. One in an FCA.
To me, I'm saying,
thank you.
There be a whole events organization at the amount of bar on your jury elected. You need more party. Party like one in an FA won't be kind of answer.
Me say, who is this? Is not, she's not, when you're elected,
when you're part of the party,
she's not part of the party structure. That's what making it here. And the way things are going, where? And Kofi from Rabu says, and who send what this kind of committee?
I'm Francois of the
apart from Francois Wine, meaning it's a room to me is not a unifier.
Debut, what treasure and count. So, fund the bus.
Mobilization of funds. How are you going to disperse?
How are you going to utilize the funds?
Find out how you going to disperse the money. Yeah, religious bodies and allied social clubs, first time voters, honorable year or say a bit chairperson. This is the area of the youth organizer. First time voters. Yes. First time voters. It falls within the jurisdiction of the youth organizer. Between the ages of 18 and 14. Tell me more. Within the ages of 18 and 40. And one year say youth organizer.
What to like?
Asabada okay. Me say for the petition with the coin. And we don't sign any of them account.
The wound to me in challenge.
Wound to me cannot accommodate them. And the
party, so JFK, what are they doing? Because JFK is from Ashanti region, Dr. China, Meboa, Nana B, Anna, home region, air boil it. Now JFK also have a tour, ever. Now, if you look at special works and you per the executives, he's not recognized in the party. That's what I make up. This guy can issue a threat message to the general secretary. And I have it. Was it he asked? Was it me? I feel exactly what I use. Was it there's going to be a war between them? No, it's saying the bed down. There was a MP because pushing a request at a party. No, it's a MP try by more of any panache. Say a regional chairman too. Because of power, yet me sacrifice a foku.
Yes, yes,
and win the power. Now, won't we have big it's wound to me? I ain't me sacrifice wound to me because of wound to me in a place. Someone in Santa Rina or Bahanu Chum, say be a program and a basso. Say be a no good program.
Yes,
but so Napo Baba Regions or yell, doors door, Napo, yes, someone in Sia. Napo Santa Rina Chum. And she got a wound to me. It cost for so wound to me, dear on the back party.
It cost for Mammy Castle, where some way that be a Mecanaman for a game. Sabu, in 2014, we made a very big mistake, and I want to repeat it. We made a very big mistake by convincing people to vote for Wontumi to be there.
And you want to be quiet.
What
the two mistakes are MPP, I say, you're talking about Wontumi. And I'm not mistaken Ghana for I say,
if you look at that election, of course, Wontumi had 505 votes.
Yes.
Or say Pepin 207. At that time, Wontumi was 36 years. We thought that we need a new face. We thought say things have to change. At that time, we saw him to be a charismatic leader. We thought, won't we be taking over? And this in some phone maybe on Ashanti region, because you wouldn't say the Shall we are two about here? And let me tell you one thing.
But maybe,
Yes.
Mammy Chawadi.
Yes.
Then this is always smart.
Ade.
Mammy Chawadi. Also, I see you get ya.
Yes.
I can some,
Yes.
And MP because to about is a young.
Yes.
Says a Johnson and no
Yeah.
or banner as you get stand star.
Yeah.
I want to say, no kind of friend could be a champ or say, Kukazi Kurasinia.
I got a moment said,
and we gain a lot of things. I'm going to want to buy. And I'm so fun and I could see my back. And I could see my or more cackle very long from Unutunasi.
Shabu, in 2014, NPP was in opposition, but because of commitment, perseverance, dedication, hard work, you bet my year we said so you can wrestle power from the NDC. Take this. The NPP wins the elections in 2016. In 2017, a whole amount 5 years must let me come on for such a metro with the Won't we had a diabolic intention of being? Won't we still wanted to control the party and be a dictator, an autocratic leader? And I'm going to tell you, won't we did an empirical research? The research, it gave him the mindset and the notion. He said, there are some people in the NPP regional executives in Ashanti regional. They control a larger base.
Yeah.
They have a larger constituency. So dealing with them, if you are not careful, the base will fight you. He lobbied for positions for all these kind of people.
Oh, my nephew, I'm not conquering.
Jerry Kai JFK, why? Say what that's called MC. Kedi can come call MP. Manaf.
A vice to the office.
Policy there. So if you look at Sanko, Dr. Rauf, also called Pharmacy Council. So if you look at Sanko for Indiana, about 6 of them are only integral members. I would mediate the shakers and the movers. Ashanti regional, which I will be a crime. So I'm a won't we have the prerogative power to make appointments?
Yeah.
Okay. And I want to cause a son and call for the gum. That was why Mr. Person Hunipa, woman is coming to me and Hunipa. When money came to the hands of whom to be power by. Look at the kind of dictatorship that you were doing. In 2020, before second elections, the actions and inactions of whom affected the new patriotic party in Ashanti region beyond Ashanti region. I'm going to tell you. There was an injunction. And I'm there to someone conquer trouble. One to me, he has used his veto power at the expense of injunction. I have court of contempt jurisdiction. No, I'm conquer to. And the Nipa me and Sabi said, I got to my Kojo Bajamai. And I'm cast to be my Kojo Bajamai. Business as I'm to a test and Kusianga. I stand where my chance out. Omokofa biscuit box. And I read to about without the supervision of the Electoral Commission. Then they won't to me say, areas who want to be say they should go on the post. You go for me who are some me used to be veto power. When I walk and maybe who I am or contest someone Sanoman. You know, not the votes in 2016 now drop it about 71%, almost 5%. Nephew what you call another no because if you look at elections at Akosu, can want to me you be so what Nancy Jimmy say. Look at the contest between you and Coca. The kind of pains that you went through by go to Tatan Takiso. And so I say he's losing grips and touch in Ashanti region. If all media houses are not good with you and they prefer doing campaign for Coca, it tells you there is a problem. Some amount forecast and confess on no for and no one been in this kind of election. What has happened in the MPP?
And a party been for him. Franco, Koshe, Brana Champo, Akasa, go to the Champo.
NDC for Peo, Amu Peo. 2024 apano enya do me wini da amo wini Moko check your record amo wini na MPP amanyo kuono yesi ho say ye be win election MPP yesi ho say ye be win election eti de yenim no kwai bia so ye be win 2024 abano ye be fa so ye politics.
On the 9th of December, inshallah, if the good people vote for Ghana and your MPs, if he's a man, he should not hand over power and see. We will show him that when iron and iron meet, you will see fire. The people of Sisala is here. Everybody go.
We should video me in the first place. No. Going forward.
Shaula Sisi,
Franco later.
I've listened to these two people,
Yeah.
Brian Champon and Malik. I condemn the two. I condemn the two. Later, I may condemn and say, if you look at this kind of election that we are going, it should be a free and fair manner.
Peaceful election.
Peaceful elections. May say the NDC created a certain kind of impression into the minds of their supporters. And they said the 2020 elections was rigged. It is never true.
Yeah.
They had an opportunity to go to a court of competent jurisdiction. It was unanimous.
Yeah.
A judge is a person much as a master by Yansen BN. The Atosun Utia said Unkatia when he was going to be the national chairman or call for campaign. A horn of a cacatro of Bia said, if you look at election a year, their coalition center wasn't robust. When 5 regions started dropping, and their system broke up.
Yeah.
Shabu,
Franco.
Utia and Sama Papa Yikaya, Brian Champo. Now tell the Maleki Kaya. Those I condemn the two. Yes, said do a day once the best.
So they are ready before they want to buy.
Nipa Bakwan, one at the Brian Champo.
I didn't tell you.
This man has been consistently consistent on this particular matter. We are not going to
Hand power mama.
I don't know again dangerous.
But when him say you want to hand the power there.
Me say, minimum again dangerous.
And I see so.
He has been consistently consistent. Omo koye bibi wo kwa
Walk.
He made the same statement or proud to be reply. Now madam omo kosu was making the same statement. When so about Malik Basintel about reply. Now this kind of people. I am you say omo ye mem. These people they are cowards.
Are they?
I'm telling you. Sanko fa and we are say any idea ye these people they are cowards. Do you know say? Already did a year, Brian Champo. He run from to whom to Abitivi. How? Oh, now, but and that's on the kind of amount. He contested. Where? The DNA. What kind of what is it?
I said, Brian Champo flees soon for Abitivi.
25th of May 2015. We will take him back. He wanted to be the member of parliament for Suhum. Only Opariansa. Opariansa yen mass nations can come drink a curtain yetani.
Permanent.
Internal elections.
Where can you be free out? After
failing on 2 different occasions to win the new patriotic parliamentary ticket at Suhum, Brian Champon, former unofficial chief of staff of the defeated NPP chairman, Jacob Echebilamte, has page camp at the Abetifi constituency, both in the eastern region. Adum Online can report. Mr. Echampon had contested twice against Honorable Opare Ansa and lost both times under a criminal circumstances. What's all your bema? See, that's what I'm making you. What's all your bema? You are not going to hand power to Obia. Internal elections. You hand power to the person.
Opara Santo Crown or Yard election or national election 15. One night my chase.
Me say two occasions. When they done with Delegate and Papa Hoko. It's not the matter of theoretical.
Or Babe Casane, Nakase. Mabuno from no Agina no assem at the acquaint near my pony. But nobody can say, we who for you be
me say, and I'll repeat it again. You will tell me I'm fantastic. Me say, Brian Echampon flees Suhum for Abitifi, 28th of May 2015. 28th of May 2015. How many years now?
I kind of come and
Brian Echampon flees Suhum for Abitifi.
Okay,
28th of May 2015. After failing on 2 different occasions to win the new Patriotic Party's parliamentary ticket at Suhum, Brian Echampon, former unofficial chief of staff of defeated NPP Jacob Echebilamte, has pitched camp at the Abetifi constituency, both in the eastern region. Adum Online can report. Mr. Echampon had contested twice against Honorable Paransa and lost both times under acrimonious circumstances.
We remember. I want more my I saw there will be 2 war drum.
When I walk on, you flew away. They can't be free. What then?
What one Sunday, like say, on plan, gone.
And so I give back one to say any MP can't ask him. And a person or an MP who doesn't have in-depth knowledge about security and community any problem. As I make a do Shabu. See, I'm for the Shabu Sisi. Oh, yeah, a terrible MP. And now that you have a committee, so. And the only technical expertise about security now, we can this kind of issues. I can pardon you. Because somehow you don't know the implications, you are just saying it. Or be or what in-depth knowledge. And who has been with the US force. If you come and say something bad about security, we have to question your integrity.
But Bana Champon or 77 Peda, when you always can. But this is canny now, Sebi. I don't use it on unit. Because, yeah, Yasika, Ubia,
yes,
winning Tuma,
yes,
and they be out of corporation, Asafo,
yes,
Asafo Yagra, Yavantuma,
yes,
and only a lot of big hotels.
yes.
Not
just hotels. He has a lot of businesses in Ghana. Wouldn't say Ghana. Controller Accountant General. Software you can a branch on the developing.
Wow.
Do you know the kind of money he's getting from it? Me person Mr. Branch Champon say, does he want to be a person in power whereby there is war and he doesn't have peace, or to be in a position whereby there is peace and he can run his business?
Debut, they said Ghana share. Maybe Shabulasi. What do I lose?
You don't lose anything.
Who are hotels that can see, and then saluting a sea, but about for Lutunema. Made there on Papa Channel of Alpha. Bound our hotel. What was a party? Here on the gas and Martin show. I cheer for Makaya. Make sure emergency bill. Mokaya honorable Ken, one of the interview can say, Ubi sell, Omoko chicken in Japan, steel plant.
Yes.
And my Ken can't see a steel plant of Bessie Ubi's hotel.
Yes.
Infancia.
So now look at the portfolio of this particular man.
Okay.
This and also the actual career. And I'm reading something for say he has served in the US force between 2004 to 2006.
Okay.
He was the Minister of State in charge of national security.
Okay.
After he was appointed and sworn in as in the office of the presidency.
Yeah.
He's a consultant. He was the CEO of INTU Group in Accra. He was once a Deputy Minister of State in charge of Interior. In 2023, nomination was confirmed by Parliament and he became a substantive minister for Agric when Akutu left office.
Yeah.
One, obviously this man has worked with the US force. Maybe one US force. US forces are saying they'll have issues with him.
I didn't.
The US have interest in every jurisdiction. US almost interest. The US, they have the US embassy over here.
Yeah.
US one year Ghana buy a bit to quite to Moka.
Yeah, the way Domoka, yeah, Bob say from more.
Wouldn't say if there is war, if there's political instability, then it means that embassy could have to even close it down. Yeah. Secondly, almost care what Ghana has. Wouldn't say if there is war, I never suspending the constitution. If the constitution is not running, you have truncated it. The means that there's no law, no rules and regulations that is governing Ghana. And to be a wedding can not compatible with US of A1, they will be in a serious problem. Shabra Sisi, if you listen to us about the man has been consistent, no one so. He has been consistent beating war drums.
He has been given a fake promise. Yes. After Baumia.
Yes.
One no more from Eastern region.
Okay.
Manababe Lidi.
Okay.
The MPP.
Yes.
And he's got or person the chabo to me or come more than they believe.
Oh, okay.
You know, initially no. Now yeah, cock and Molesdo said openly. My name himself a down for the Canada. I don't know what that and so on my Greek ministry after Baumia or the next person of Babylidi and Asani money more oil. I'm coming to be kite, but you can already be said. Yes, a can steel plant. You have a question. And as I say, a can steel plant. Obi hotels there, your best, you know. And Nipano, Omontam Kasan, and I want to read something for you today. And
the
Franco, as some I catch a Ghana for the when you have leaders, a bit to say, Bernard Champon, we are Ghana, the Bernard Champon, and the catcher will say, oh, now, yes, and then you see,
Shabu,
Franco.
Okay, election back on Bernard Champon supervisor.
David,
a year was West Woman.
Bernard Champon supervisor.
He was the minister of state in charge of security.
Okay, yeah.
What can I say? And Kofobi call, I was West Wagon. I could some George Monin paying for you. Now, when he was asked, was say, sound call for their national security.
Yeah, make us issue.
Okay,
yeah.
And issues never yet be They see a board member of parliament honorable small, and if you look at that kind of elections, of course, it wasn't free and fair. It brings a certain kind of notion.
I chair Martin Boaja.
Yes. Naire Seram or Kotua Banos. This one is a majority chief whip was again. Now, Saib, listening to what the committee, it has not make a committee, you know, when they set up the committee, listen to the recommendations of the committee.
Okay.
Well, say it is further recommended. Well, say the committee recommends that Mr. Brian Achampong be reprimanded. This is the blueprint. This is the white paper. A framework for what they call a buying fee. Well, say the commission recommends that Mr. Brian Achampong be reprimanded for his ultimate responsibility as minister in authorizing an operation of that character on a day of election in a built-up area. Reprimanded. Meaning, how can I say a punish?
And on your pass, smart boys, some couldn't see who about to us here. Najuman.
And Shabu, me say, what can we say? Brian Achampong role must be clearly defined and be short. Now, Shabu, what kind has what? They will tell us Brian Achampong, when you're fast or exercising the duty, it was even wrong. Now, look at the police commission. Say, short commission report, Azugu, Brian Achampong, others were incited for sanctions. And you crowd ye nyabre. I cry, say, we believe in the rule of law. Yet the Maya Juma. And Brian Achampong should not even supposed to even be minister.
They are moving from how to agree.
Ghana and Kwani started up committee commissions and find Yajuma. And only your book
report from
the committee commissions and find Yajuma. If you listen to Brian Achampong, young for and more that. And let me tell Brian Achampong something. If you look at J.J. Rawlings, he made a coup d'etat to become a president.
Yeah.
J.J. Rawlings was a military person. If you look at 1992, 1996, the most critical election back was in 2000.
Yeah.
A lot of people thought, say, the man over a friend J.J. Rawlings and Farman. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm for this J.J. Rawlings want to break the age and give it to John Evans at Amos. You can never suppress the will of the people. You can't. You can't, Joshabu. You can never suppress the will of the people. J.J. Rawlings have to admit, and we had a smooth transition whereby J. Akufo became the president. J. Akufo became president for 8 years. We had a smooth transition to Atanos.
Yeah.
Most who grew here, Mama better kick over. Mama Lusu 2016 elections. We had a smooth transition to where another Danko Akufado. I didn't take Akufado in quite time. Now they want to break the age. They are desperate in breaking the age. The NPP is desperate in breaking the age. The NDC is desperate in delaying the age. So the NPP forecast that we are not going to say some of the power. No, it might be after Franco and I say a year.
Power, no, it doesn't lie in your hand.
Shabu, and can you tell Brian Achampong, Bianca, when your opportunity can do my binary. By being your short force and challenges, by being Martina Coelho, then you tell the ordinary Ghanaian and the voters should vote for you. And now to me, Kakura, me Kase, I conform as of for your party. So I conform as of for your party now, more opposition. More opposition.
And maybe I do say, more
opposition. And you see, Brian Achampong, some security person, because I don't have problem with you.
Masentas or a coward, was say, or else I got to cut high, no Johnny.
And it is true.
And I'll come, so he has flee from Zoom.
Miss Daniel with Bennett and Pabwa Oko. The land cruiser with Bennett Jahoko. He has flee away. With Johnny Cole. And so my problem is the new patriotic party, you have people defending this.
And now can pay for me, sir.
Someone
paying for the bus of Kuso Mama. Will you have your peace?
Shabla Sisi, permit me to take you into Africa. I mean,
so Kusia. Now you're chief president there. The minister that you move.
Shabu.
Me, I bet you Shabla Sisi. Franco.
Obia Woti will water. Obia Woti,
let's go as Rwanda.
Me say, send it will move water.
And now, question
to Liberia. Sudan. Almost Saudi Arabia. There's serious political instability. Tell me more political instability.
We have people by the chapel Casim we are happy.
Me say,
I could say any people in this new.
I be a nip Obia Woti. They should go and Google this. War in Sierra Leone.
Okay.
War in Liberia. War in Rwanda. Look at the video footages. It will be so short hands and up long hands. Short hands in every war. Your mouth short hand. Long hands are you tell on Sanya. That's what I make it to you.
Okay, no long hands and a
long hands no send a long shirt te be bo hane dia ma ye be yi hane dia firi ho dia ma
short hands is why a child.
short hands no short hands ye be yi hane dia firi ho dia ma
Sit down, son, so we
go and look at babies ye chop being sunny be nine go and look at how babies were crying they can't see their parents Shabu permit me to take him to Africa only 5 or 6 countries war cause a lot of damage through elections area and also the social Shabu was say 8 killed in Egypt election violence.
Nipa 8 ekumu. Ekwa say so to Ghana dey. And Ghana dey say Nigeria ayi. Teshima.
Shabla sisi. Nipa baako. Why would the US? You beka say achi US ni bi Cambodia. Ya achi US ni bi Nepal. Ya achi US ni bi Pakistan, Afghanistan. They will send a whole troop. Say ekwa akoyi nipa baako pe the number. You don't joke with one life. Shabu. Wait. At least 11 shot dead ahead of Tanzania's presidential vote.
But we got ahead.
Ahead. You know
the election day, no. And then after the outcome,
one dead, at least 25 injured in Comoros. Protests over presidential re-election. Guess what? Make one gram about detail. 2 killed in South Sudan. Election clash. UN. He said no. Come 5. Nearly 2 dozens dead in Guinea post-election violence.
He can dance in there, Massa. 2 dozens?
Yes, dead. Shabu, if you look at this kind of normal akoko, it tells us that there's a serious problem that we have to fight it. Shabu, I want to do something for say. Death toll from post-electoral violence in Cote d'Ivoire rising. UN reports. Can I say the total number of deaths since mid-December 2010 is now more than 462.
That Lauren Babu and
Watara. And I'm not saying some for mu some for and that's uncle for we Watara. Now down for Panic Babu. Chasa make a trono. Now down for Panic Babu. They eat and work and dine together. And so Munti Nipa 462 a day. Oh, Shabu was it 2 killed as blast. Gunfire robbed Burundi presidential vote. 14 Burkina Faso soldiers killed in ambush ahead of presidential election. My Bob 10 countries and at the amount. Go to Rwanda and go and see war. Go to Liberia. Everybody amount for Sereno Mukane. But Buddha come. Obia Bonabemo telling no man to flee for his life. If it's an ordinary MPP in a canasem, and he doesn't have any nitty-gritty knowledge, in-depth knowledge about security and new problem. You have been with the US force. The ban on what to say. You see Democrats, the Republicans all have a trouble. Now politicians, you have to say that Joe Biden Akase, Saban will lose
the defense secretary or Kakasati Mui. Most of them bomb bra. One day you learn nothing, you came with empty head. You came with your empty head. Now my near mom top position. Wait, no, yeah. More US Army. And Nimtia Penacushia. Wow, Japan. Say the last person who's preach about swimming big the water should be Brian Champo. And you own a lot of hotels, a lot of Japan. Second, Japan, own a Japadi. Now, or say, what say they should be war. They should be war. Ghana will never do this. And you see, Ghana, you see the top hierarchy of the NPP sitting there. This man is making this kind of pronouncement and they are clapping for him. They will name any kind of Japadi capture. Now, say, labor for the sorry, go out to Ghana hotel, say, Sina. And then was guest house. What to name? They say, Shabla Sisi. Some comfort, they always want to be the world ram. Take this from me, they are cowards. I repeat again, they are cowards. We say a Facebook post, a Justin Kudia Frimpong.
Hey, the boss.
Oh, boss. What's it?
Yes.
Regional tour update. Feedback from my tour of the Borough region shows that some appointees have lost touch with their base. Don't force me to start mentioning names. Do the needful thing.
The center cannot hold. The center cannot hold.
Na tending church answer. Church of penny the new patriotic party just the people could. Namson say or the Raga Probo, Echo Bonoman or so by the chino. The church say, Yamu say, MPs, ministers, go for your appoint to a moon. Or money a man for what to Abama, and now Mamma for no. Or Montema Babes a Bunsem Jim, and heaven. Omuntema ten omunfiomo. Franco,
The center cannot rule. It's left with 4 months to elections, and this is a recipe for disaster. I repeat, 4 months to elections, a recipe for disaster.
Franco meba. Oba be kasa. Na so la na jombo da so ka chem say. Oh yeah, now say my boss. And then permit me to also address your boss kakra.
Oh, Kawasem.
Joseph Mpokodia were a fine man, or a nice person. But Joseph Mpokodia himself has been lost touch.
But be measured with your
Yes,
yeah,
I will do that.
Or
no, Munu, you are lost touch with the base Ashanti region. Because Joseph Mpokodia, we need the election to become the general secretary. Ashanti region, the maximum vote. Don't go check all the polling stations. No greater crowd.
It is true.
Okoye, and then Nkunya. President Kufuor do said, "Won't train the nation Ashanti region." And then, what castle interchanges 5. In year back, Kate phase 2 and annual listen. Crufu market and annual listen. So, who dare Crampono Ashanti region? How are you going to blame Bono for?
Shall per my research, and yet peculiar to one half of Guau. And 137 MPs, they are all running away.
I didn't run away.
Because of a Kufuor. And I'm going to
meet you.
Obi Uti may be a taking motions out. Sad way, men pekras, or one of the from the end time and pay. Dear kind. None of them call Kufuor promise say Ghana for say. Every constituency 1 million, and a $1
million per constituency.
Wouldn't say, amount for me, what they say. Says can you say MP for in some of the above?
Yeah.
And only.
And I'll be over there by development.
Thank you. And I want something to say.
50 sa omunye.
Huh? One district,
one factory.
I want something to say.
Diego.
Me say, if you look at the campaign promises of the MPP, and change a city in your once a 1 year city, what can not be more you know, and for them to reach that kind of mileage and say, I did a bit now, you know, not for them. I'm telling you something. Me, I have MPs friends. Shabu, if they go to their various constituencies, they are being asked, I could find a cancer, the man, and people are demanding accountability to it.
And the MPs in your answers, you want to
go away. Go fan away. Maybe so. Go fan away. And never you come. I tell you, Canadian Ababesi factory. I want to pry NYCB. Minyanti say I buy a beer factory. MPP are buying one because I play because of a private partnership because of a beer factory. Obi a beer tomatoes factory, no a private partnership or saying happy. Dabi, you promise us different things. One constituency, $1 million in a way. I'm asking. If you look at the kind of promises from the NPP, Shabu in opposition, let's say you'd be 2 anymore. I have it marking we are going to have a paradise in Ghana.
So, Papa can say, you better employ.
Was it we are going to import
workers?
Ghana, we are going to import workers. And I'm not saying unemployment rate is 14.7. Over upon a cancer, one cancer.
Me nearby be friend selling or UK. Also, mammy. First, I dare be me to a bar.
Yes.
No microphone, no king, also about Kufuor time or so. Was said, oh, book for the on financing films.
Mr. Papa Kufuor, what he has a crank over Kajans of Quabnan and Quatraba Craman. Messi in 2017, no 2016. My father was in a wheelchair. They have to drive him. So soon one got 2 number for MPP. Be not as I'm communal.
Only some more don't back to a Kufuor, no more Yama Consaji.
I know more Massama. And no more Massama. And if you look at Justin Kobiakaya, and you're peculiar to Buna for Buna Region.
If you look at the region,
Shabula Sisi. Let's say, and Ashanti region. If government appointees will issues or Buna region, if you look at Ashanti region, government appointees are having issues here.
Yeah.
The party is having issues here. Differences and factions in the party, they can't solve it. I'm telling you.
And then we catch you be said, say, MPP do say, Atatia Pansam, but MPP in Korea program and Nipan Kokakra. But I don't know them who don't want Yaman.
Shabula Sisi.
And MPP program or Mom Kokakano.
Yes.
I delegate. And as a constituent delegate. Because delegate, I can't channel. Now, say, I got 2 MP Abama will be a 15 minutes system.
I want to almost what dear ye
now, crowd system in a day. Say,
Ghana, Ghana Hajabu, a week when this calculation should be around 2,000.
Yes.
Should be around 2,000. And I was also moderate because the kind of expenses inside this is can be. Now, if over a friend of Justin Kobia has able to identify the problem, he should get solutions to it.
And how are they going to solve it?
I'm not
because MPP. And now Tioma, Maba Santa Ring say, young wiki elephant or madam. And then I'm here, ya party or bam. And this cannot even say, I almost umbrella my food in the Omo Quaquede. I'm food you. Now what you been one yama, as soon as the other.
Nippon Quaquanas from the Socrata.
Aye.
So nada, Omo Madadano. And call for a Quaquanas from Swada. They are regional executives. There is a factor and component problem between them and the regional chairman. 6 duly elected people are fighting against the regional chairman. You can't solve this problem. If want to me on a special aid can declare war on the general secretary of the MPP, the senior administrator who bondo, say I'm funny say, your friend say, Papa, your friend say, okay, MP. So no, your general secretary. Now, so we don't have any portfolio in the New Patriotic Party. You are even saying, hey, also crowd up my body, what you want to be so. Oh,
Namushi.
oh,
Wajai.
As a campaign, me more
Wajai. Was say, now let information say, what you took on your for, but maybe do come up.
As a campaign,
Wajai. Was in the campaign. And now, manifesto committee. I'm got to Mamento. Alan Hunti, almost say, Alan Nanka, a bus or manifesto about trade. Most of what this one factor, Alan, say we say normal land, and so manifesto committee.
Do you know, say,
Tokosi,
me, Menyafra Frantoni. Me, I'm a neutral person, but my love for Alan has risen, and I'm going to tell you. Sure, don't say GTP book, Alan, and
Franco, win him, and metie ya aboabia samoa na we TV3
yes
okoshia ayi lawyer no ayi
Edward Democrat
yes
also abimbuta
Franco me say ala na kitafo mo meto airtap ni encheche GTP no say GTP no say Alan pa
tiasie pa na emom de masa
Alan pa Alan pa ho
she
Alan ohia campaign the oben say one to GTP book one top platform one for encheche mu she. And now, Quanic said, "Quiet father, I'm with the GTP." And I'm saying, "Shall one first woman say, I say,
Mammy Cousin, there is a clear difference between leadership and party leadership, and I'm going to tell you, A2. Alan Quadrature, my GTP, not clear. Among my respect for Alan has risen, and I'm going to tell you. And so, Kata Alan and me. Now, Bob, be actually saying, you're tourism. I'm reading, explain. Alan will explain very simple for you. Do you know why? Because I never reported speech. He wrote it himself. If you look at the political parties, I manifesto. Anything I could find, I was central region. Now in the manifesto of the MP, we are making promises they are going to build a hub. Now, I'm here, now for this one.
Because,
When you say, you copy more Brazil, I could find what can say. If you look at the commission reports, now they are going to live by it.
Yeah.
Countryman Songo asking a question. Said you been teen a buyer that the Jamaica commission report in Yagna was one character or commission report to you.
Yes.
Does not make any. So if you look at this kind of manifesto, the manifesto is drafted by some certain kind of people. It doesn't conform to the knowledge of the probably president. Just want to make a turn. And then see how far is a Akufo-Addo and then I the manifesto of the MPP and convert me the same to be seen as Nakatrida. In the manifesto of the MPP, go and read. There's nowhere it is outlined as MPP for some bar or Messi national Katrina. So if you look at the manifesto, it's entirely different from the purpose of the flag bearer. If you look at Alan Quadrature Mantia, Shabu, me say, I've listened to the man. Everything was written, edited by Alan Quadrature Mantia. This is a roadmap. Just want to make actually you. This is a road. Meaning Adena Oyen or Tadiana say. So the Usika. Now the NPP is drafting your friend saying.
One manifesto.
Meaning what as a Samoan can.
What's it?
Oh, maybe as a Samoan say. Omoko of your walk. Was so near ye Bamia dim common. And about me catcher and say, Obisa Bamia said, then about me walk. Emma YouTube. And about me catcher and say, Oba or not be breeding my YouTube. That's about me. I saw when Munyam cry or not some Wajan and Munyama. Meaning say, or not some Wajano. or catch a gun and youth, so or Montoma about my bed, ever boy you far from body money. Me person me bo. Movie make us bo. Ade we. Asamoah Bo. Aha.
Ubia wazu tie bia na obu.
Bo wo force.
Asamoah Jan
appointed as the head.
Appointed as the head
of the NPP.
The head of NPP
manifesto committee of youth and sports. Bo, my bo enter. Ayaba. B.
Menkai.
Can you say?
Former Ghanaian international Asamoah has been named on the manifesto committee of the New Patriotic Party Fagbera for the 2024 election. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, Ghana all-time top scorer, has agreed to serve as the lead for the Youth and Sports Manifesto Subcommittee.
Hold it there. Asamoah say, Ghana, he had an opportunity to sit with the president, the vice president, the flag bearer. Only leading common. And Obisa says, again, woman, you too. Listen to this. One, it tells us that Samoan is naive. It tells us Samoan is incompetent. It tells us Samoan doesn't understand politics. That's why I make you. This is one person. Yaboni is head of NPP Manifesto for Youth and Sports. Meaning, say, there's going to be a committee. Committee, you are going to be the head. Would you to not underdress willingly? And I too. As someone just say kind for the Black Stars, was say kind for Liberty, was say kind for Sunderland, all in one baby. And I say youth and sports will never be leader. Your cast of manifesto, you are drafting things. By the make national cast, this is his promises. As someone is the head of the your friend is a youth and sports
committee.
And committee and committee. And then can meeting. I say, I'm asking a simple question. He is the head of manifesto committee. Their manifesto no more drafting. February
2024.
March, April, May, June, July, August. Asamoah has been the head. Tebimo has been the head of the manifesto committee of the NPP in terms of youth and sports. So he cannot identify the problems of the Ghanaian youth. As well, and meeting. It is a duty and responsibility to bring out input and be able to identify the challenges and the problems of the youth. Head of manifesto committee. You don't know the kind of problem that is affecting Ghanaians.
I for Franco the hater and I'll tell you can be doing at the Shaibula Sisi or Sebema and the Jack camera Kisaka video no Esiani. I don't know the excuse I'm